Hello friends, I'm Shweta and welcome to Shweta's Easy Cooking channel. Today we'll be making turmeric milk. So let's get started.
To a pan, add a glass of milk and let it come to a boil. The milk is boiled now. Now let's reduce the flame to medium and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. This gives a soothing effect to sore throat. Now we'll just simmer it for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes. Now we'll switch off the flame and pass the milk through a sieve and enjoy.